Welcome back, folks. Let's go out to Sam in Philadelphia. Sam, thanks for calling. Thanks for holding. How are you today?
Hey, buddy, how you doing?
I'm doing very well. Thanks for asking. And the stock you want to take a look at is Johnson & Johnson. JNJ is the ticker symbol. Tell us what you're looking at, how I can help you.
I got in around 130, and I see that it's going to try to reach like the 138. What do you think?
And so you got into this over the past week or so? Is that where you're at?
Yeah, around 130, $130.
Okay. So when I take a look at, so from a short-term standpoint then, because you're targeting 138, we'll take a look at this chart right here. And this chart, if you're watching this on Tiger TV, even if you're not, I'll describe to you what it is we're looking at. We're looking at its TAS market profiles and prices trading below the bottom of its box. So this would suggest to us that where price may target on a continued bounce higher or move higher would be 135.82. Doesn't say it can't get to your 138 level, but 135.82 is the place where you're going to be looking at and wanting to see a close above that level. Doesn't mean you exit the trade necessarily, but that's going to be the first area, if it were me, that I would be looking at for this to run in resistance. Now, here's the cool thing. I want you to focus on the date of February 16th. And that day has 7.9 million shares. The top of that is 134.45. If you see a day, and today doesn't look like that day, but maybe tomorrow, the next day, if you see price close above 134.45, and at the end of the day, it does more than 8 million shares, then this tells you that your 138 target is more likely the case, or the exact number that I would provide to you right now would be 141 to 142.
I see. I'm here using Ameritrade. The single swim. Yeah, I see exactly what you're talking about. Yep.
But if it's not able to clear February 16th with the type of volume that you need, it may struggle to really get above that 135. And the reason is that from a monthly standpoint, Johnson & Johnson gave a really nice sell signal. And it did that here back in January. So it did this before the move really started lower out here. When price was moving higher, doing less relative energy. We've seen a move lower. The other number, depending on how long you try to stay in this trade here, because all we can do right now is just say, what is it that you need in order to stay in this trade? And so if you start to get above 137.55 on a daily basis, that happens to be Stevie's red line on a monthly chart out here, that would also be another bullish indication sign. But right now, you're going to watch 135.82 and you're going to watch 134.45. And at that level, you're looking for more than 8 million shares. All right?
Perfect. And both ways, I'm still making money. Thank you very much.
Okay. Hey, keep a stop in there, though. All right?
Absolutely.
Okay, you bet. Thanks so much for calling. That was Sam in Philly. That was Johnson & Johnson. Now, if we go back and just to